Hey everyone, this is a quick add-on for the Cell Phone Buddy 3 where I will show you how to put in this zipper pocket. We will continue along with the construction after this is made, just like the Cell Phone Buddy 3 original version. So I'm just going to show you how to do this zipper pocket add-on. So let's get going. For the add-on tutorial, you will need your pattern pieces A1 and A2, as well as your lining piece for that zipper pocket, your zipper cut with the ends melted preferably. You will need one zipper pull. You will also need a ruler, pen, and your double-sided tape. The first thing that we're going to do is take our pattern piece with the zipper pocket opening and draw a line 1/4 of an inch from the shorter edge. Grab your double-sided tape. We're just going to place that within that 1/4 of an inch space. Peel the backing off and take your larger pattern piece and line that up with the line we just drew on the back and press that down. What I'm now going to do is sew along this edge here at 1/8 of an inch, taking long tails that I'll then pull through to the back and tie. Grab your zipper tape and your zipper pull, just slide that pull on. I will link a video on applying your zipper pulls if that's something you need a little bit more instruction on. Just leave that pull there in the middle. Take your double-sided tape again, put it on either side of that opening. Then peel the backing off. And with the zipper head pointing up towards this shaped part, we're going to place that over that zipper, centering it up as best we can. Flip it back over. I'm going to put a strip of double-sided tape along the edge here that faces the center of our Cell Phone Buddy. Then take your zipper pocket lining, remove that backing. This is a square, so it doesn't matter which way you put it, but we're just going to place that down over that double-sided tape and press it in place. Flip it over, and what we're now going to do is sew along the bottom edge of that zipper pocket, starting just beyond where the edge is. If you have done the curved shape for yours, you're going to start just slightly up around the curve. For mine, which is the rectangle, I'm going to start just 1/8 of an inch before and finish 1/8 of an inch after. Using a longer stitch length and not back stitching, but taking long tails, I'm just going to sew straight down this edge here, taking care of that zipper pull. Take long tails again at the end and pull that off. Turn that over and pull those tails through to the back. Then tie and trim. Take your double-sided tape and put a strip in that seam allowance below the line of stitches we just made. Remove the backing and just fold that down and press that nice and smooth below that zipper pocket. We're then going to place a strip of double-sided tape along the top edge of this zipper and down the sides of our lining to about halfway or a bit less. Peel those backing pieces off. And this upper one. Then fold your lining up so that this edge here meets the top edge of your zipper, and press the sides together to close up the sides of that zipper pocket. And just smooth that down. The last part of this add-on step is to sew around the rest of that zipper opening. With long tails again, we are going to start our stitches where we left off from the bottom row of stitches. So up the side, come 1/8 of an inch beyond that corner, turn, sew down the other side, and then turn again to meet back up with the other end of our stitches here. Hand crank it if you need to get it lined back up. Then take long tails again at the end. Pull those threads through, tie them off, trim, and then your completed add-on piece will take the place of the regular exterior piece for the Self Foam Buddy 3, and you continue along with those instructions. Thanks, everyone.